Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thanks to the universe for this beautiful day. Welcome to Fluent English with M I Shah. You are smart and you are improving every day. In today's lesson, we will focus on one of the biggest challenges English learners face: listening. Many learners struggle to understand native English speakers because of the fast speech, accents, and unclear words. But don't worry, I will show you simple and effective ways to improve your English listening skills fast. Section 1. Why listening is hard? Many learners find listening difficult because native speakers speak fast, use slang, and connect words in a way that makes them sound different. For example, instead of saying going to, native speakers often say gonna. Understanding these patterns will make listening easier. Section 2. Effective listening techniques. 1. Listen to slow English fast. Use audiobooks or podcasts where speakers talk slowly and clearly. 2. Use subtitles. Watch movies and YouTube videos with subtitles first, then try without them. 3. Shadowing techniques. Listen to a sentence and immediately repeat it out loud. This helps improve both listening and pronunciation. 4. Listen to different accents. Try listening to British, American, and Australian English to train your ears. 5. Daily practice. Listen to at least 10 to 15 minutes of English every day.
Section 3. Best resource for listening practice. TED Talks. Great for learning new vocabulary. BBC Learning English. Perfect for British English learners. Podcast. Listen to beginners friendly English podcast. YouTube channels. Watch educational and conversational English videos.
Section 4. Final tip. Don't stress if you don't understand everything. Listening takes time and practice. Stay consistent, follow these techniques, and soon you will understand English like a native speaker. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and join my 30-day English challenge. See you in the next lesson.